Real psychological facts about human body and human behavior. During sexual arousal, the vagina can expand by up to 200%, which means that it can reach a length of 6 to 8 inches or more. This expansion allows for comfortable penetration and may enhance sexual pleasure. While the average resting length of the vagina is around 3 to 4 inches, it can expand significantly when sexually aroused or during childbirth. Some studies have found that men who ejaculate more frequently, either through sex or masturbation, may have a slightly lower risk of developing prostate cancer. One study conducted by researchers at the University of Pisa in Italy examined brain activity during sexual arousal and orgasm. The study found that during orgasm, there was increased activity in the brain's reward centers, which are also associated with romantic love and attachment. Apart from orgasms, sneezing is the only physiological response in the human body that cannot be voluntarily stopped once it has started. It is possible for menstrual cramps to lead to orgasm in some women. Typically, a woman can achieve orgasm through masturbation within 4 minutes, whereas during sexual intercourse, it may take her 10 to 20 minutes to achieve orgasm. Sperm can swim at an average speed of about 0.03 miles per hour, which is equivalent to approximately 1.26 inches per hour. Therefore, it is possible for a sperm to travel up to 7 inches in around 5 to 6 hours. During orgasm, the average person's heart rate increases to around 140 beats per minute. On average, men experience around 11 erections during the day and approximately 9 erections at night. Sperm that has been ejaculated can only survive for a few hours outside the body. However, once it enters a woman's vagina and travels up to her cervical mucus, it can remain viable for up to 3 to 5 days. Studies found that most women prefer a dark place over a well-lit-up place to have sex in. Research suggests that only 18% of women are able to achieve orgasm through vaginal penetration alone during sexual activity with a partner. People who are into kinkier sex may be psychologically healthier. This is because some studies have found that individuals who engage in BDSM activities may experience lower levels of anxiety, stress, and depression, as well as higher levels of well-being and satisfaction in their relationships. According to a study, men tend to experience greater emotional distress following a breakup compared to women. Research suggests that women automatically perceive people who smell good as more attractive. Ginger has been found to have a stimulating effect on the body, which can help promote feelings of excitement and arousal associated with sexual activity. Consuming ginger can lead to an increase in heart rate and improved blood flow, which may help prepare the body for a night ahead of intimacy. Research suggests that women who engage in sexual activity at least once a week tend to have more regular menstrual cycles. Epiphalophobia is the fear or anxiety associated with the thought of seeing or experiencing an erection. It is commonly believed that men reach their sexual peak around the age of 17. Psychologically, married people masturbate far more than people living alone. According to studies, on average, a single sexual session can burn approximately 100 calories. It is commonly believed that being sexually attracted to someone may make it more challenging to deceive them. Research suggests that a woman's sexual drive reaches its peak just before her period. It has been suggested that all the genetic material required to repopulate the Earth could fit into a capsule as small as an aspirin, containing the amount of sperm required to fertilize all available eggs. According to one survey, your inner nose swells while having sex. On average, a male orgasm lasts for around 6 seconds, while a female orgasm can last up to 20 seconds. It has been reported that some individuals can experience orgasm during a workout due to repetitive core movements. Research suggests that, on average, women tend to be attracted to men who are approximately 6 years older than themselves. Psychologically, men fall in love faster than women do. Moreover, research suggests that men and women may express and experience love differently, rather than one gender falling in love faster than the other. Studies have shown that women may be slightly better at detecting lies than men, although the difference is not significant. However, this can vary depending on the situation, individual abilities, and other factors. During a man's lifetime, he produces around 500 billion sperm cells in about 17 liters of semen. The clitoris of a woman has nearly twice as many nerve fibers as a penis, with over 8,000 nerve fibers. After sexual intercourse, it is common for both men and women to experience difficulty in urinating immediately. This phenomenon is known as postcoital urinary hesitancy or postcoital urinary retention. During sexual arousal and orgasm, the body releases various hormones and chemicals, including oxytocin and vasopressin. Vasopressin, also known as antidiuretic hormone, ADH, plays a role in water reabsorption in the kidneys and can reduce urine production. As a result, the bladder may not fill up quickly after sexual activity, leading to the sensation of difficulty urinating. The average volume of a single ejaculation is about 2 to 6 milliliters, and each milliliter typically contains millions of sperm. However, it's important to note that not all sperm are capable of fertilizing an egg due to various factors such as sperm motility, morphology, and overall sperm health. A woman's breasts can experience changes in size and sensitivity due to sexual arousal. Also, it's important to note that breast size changes during sexual arousal are temporary and typically return to their normal size after the arousal subsides. The extent of breast enlargement varies from person to person and is influenced by factors such as individual anatomy, hormonal fluctuations, and overall arousal levels. Engaging in sexual activity after a workout can be advantageous due to the release of testosterone and increased blood flow to the genital area that occurs during exercise. Kissing has been found to trigger the release of oxytocin in the brain, a hormone that is associated with strengthening emotional bonds between individuals. Many individuals choose to keep their feelings to themselves because they have experienced the emotional toll of sharing their deepest thoughts and emotions with someone who may not be able to understand or reciprocate them. This can lead to feelings of frustration, disappointment, and even hurt or betrayal. Men often have a tendency to overestimate women's level of interest in them, while women often underestimate men's level of interest. According to some studies, individuals may perceive themselves as more attractive when looking in the mirror compared to how others perceive them. This phenomenon is known as the mirror illusion. Studies have indicated that men may be more likely to approach and show interest in women wearing red attire compared to other colors. However, it is important to note that individual preferences and behaviors can vary, and attraction and dating decisions are influenced by a wide range of factors beyond just the color of clothing. Engaging in sexual activity can indeed have stress-reducing effects for many individuals. During sex, the body releases endorphins, which are natural mood-enhancing chemicals that can promote relaxation and a sense of well-being. Additionally, sexual activity can help lower blood pressure temporarily due to the release of oxytocin, a hormone associated with stress reduction. Orgasms can trigger the release of endorphins, which are natural pain-relieving hormones produced by the body. Endorphins can help increase the pain threshold, making certain sensations or discomfort feel more manageable. Endorphins act as natural painkillers and can create feelings of pleasure and well-being. The release of endorphins during sexual activity, including orgasm, may provide temporary pain relief for some individuals. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thank you for watching.